We never imagined with the amount of water that was around us that we wouldn't have any water to drink. When Hurricane Helene came to Asheville, I got to work at 4:30, and about 12 o'clock that day, we lost all power. Lots of people coming in telling us that the river had come up and there was rushing water. There were tractor trailers and trees. There were houses in the river. No one expected it until it was too late. We needed water, we needed generators, we needed, a lot of things. So the Home Depot Foundation sent us an email saying that Operation Blessing was on the way. And so a few days after the storm, they started rolling in truck after truck after truck. It was such a relief to have somebody that knew how to experience a disaster and to help us.
The people start spreading. There is help at Home Depot. There is Operation Blessing in the parking lot. They have cell phone service, they have food, they have the Home Depot buckets with hygiene cleaning supplies. So we start with a few to hundreds to thousands daily.
I remember one particular instance. A woman came and sat down on the floor and started to cry. And she said, "I just connected to your internet, and my house in my street is the only house that's left." So the fact that Operation Blessing is dedicating to help us rebuild our community is amazing.
Having partnerships like the one with the Home Depot Foundation is key for the long-term recovery. All these years working with them, we become family.
I've been a Team Depot captain for a long, long time. And to know that the foundation is supporting us like that to take care of our community, I just felt like I had somebody that had my back. The Home Depot Foundation means hope. Hope for anybody who needs it.